Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the shadows on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and just open a video or a project. You just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find the adjust button next to the filters. Tap that, and here you can find the shadow next to the highlight option. And if you want to set that, just click the white circle and just pull on the line, and you can set the strength of the shadows. So that's pretty much it for this video. Guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.